Now let's see where I'll be spending most of my days for the next 3 months at Gastronomicon. Let's come on in. It's a very large and great facility. That's the pastry room where I'll be spending my days. They offer pastry and culinary classes here at this culinary school, which is located in the southern part of France. So as we head on back, this is the change area. That's the board with our schedule, our hours, and extra workshops we may want to sign up for, like I did for the chocolate class. Ooh, yeah. So far, I'm the only one. Now we're going to go to the back area where we have our lockers. We come in daily in the morning, about 8:30, put our things, get our chef coats and our aprons and our shoes, change, and we then proceed to class where we spend 3 hours out of the day making pastries. The facility also gives us a great room for us to take pictures of our final products so that we can have some really great pictures to post for social media and for our own professional portfolios. Equipped with studio lights, little backdrops. It's great for them to give that to us. And now we're going to go into our pastry class. This classroom is extremely large. The classes are very small, which is something that I'm appreciative of, and we only have 10 people in the class at this time. So we work in pairs of 2, and so we have 4 people, 2 on each side at each station. And then we also have the chef himself. So we have everything at our disposal that we can ever possibly need to be able to bake some great and fabulous pastries. The great part, it's in southern France near the beach. And here are some pastries that hopefully we will be able to make by the end of our 3-month program. And the brochure for Gastronomicon and the information for anyone who is interested in coming to France to learn the real way from real French chefs. We all wear masks, so we're masked up. And so now I'm gonna get ready for the end of the week and see what breads we make today. So this is our outside, and it's been a great week here at the school. It's been stressful in the beginning, but then it got easier. It was stressful in the beginning, but then it got easier as I started to relax more and realize that I am here to learn, and I'm not expected, and I shouldn't expect myself to really know anything, because I am here to learn French bread making, pastries, and everything else that I can possibly learn. So I've signed up for a couple extra workshops in chocolate, because I've been wanting to do chocolate, and in the tarts, because that's something I want to bring back to the U.S. and do in my business. So I like to get out here where it's peaceful, it's calm, no one's here, and so I get here early and just get dressed before everyone comes and the rush, and just relax, which I love. So yeah, so this is the school. It is fantastic.